So as you see, it's doing it. Oh my God, that tuck is crazy. Hey, if you have your own channel, okay.
What's going on, guys? It's got this right, and I'm back in another video. Subscribe to the notification button, like, and the bell.
So that's how it sounds.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
What's so serious?
for?
Alright guys, so as you may know, I did my own install with my bag system, and talking to god dang, I forgot his goddamn. Anyway, talking to Jason, basically I have a issue with this side, as you guys already know if you guys haven't been watching my videos. My pressures are off with the right side, so what I have to do is I have to uninstall this pressure in order for me to have a great alignment, because what was explained to me was that this actual bag is working hard to basically is requiring more pressure for this bag to air up rather than the all the other bags, which is why the pressure is so high on this side. So what I have to do is basically what I have to do is I have to go ahead and air out I have to air out the wide body, so I can at least take this line out, because remember, you guys have to air out every component to make sure that you can get to get this line out, because if not, it's a whole bunch of pressure in here. So just an FYI, if you guys try to take this off or any part of your assembly, you guys have to air it out. So what I can't even talk right now. I just got out the gym, guys, so you gotta excuse me. So what I did was I got jack stands on the other side, then of course I got it right here. So now that all the tires are off, I don't have to worry about if I air it out. It's basically going to sit down on the ground, because that would be a no-no. So it's basically just going to sit right on the frame, because again, the tires are off. You know, I already took this one off. So let me go ahead and get that, and then guys, I'm gonna give you guys an update. So just stay tuned for an update. So I finally got it off. I got this off again. That spindle right there, oh my God, it's a pain in the butt. But nevertheless, I finally got the bag off. I did end up breaking the bolt here, so I'm gonna have to end up switching, changing this bolt out. I gotta figure out how I can actually change it before I put it on there, so it can be more secured. I'm just noticing more issues that I already knew, and then I was being lazy to take care of it. But nevertheless, the reason why the bag wasn't going down is because at first I didn't sand this off. So usually you can see both of these little clips there. They sit right on here originally, and what you do is you get a flat head and you just pop it off, hammer, pop it off. Now what I did was, as you can see, I made a whole bunch of indents and scrapes and stuff, and the bag didn't properly sit down. Like, I had to force it down. So that was an issue. If you have to force it down just to put in the top nut, then yeah, you're gonna exalt a lot of pressure just to make sure you air it out and things like that. So I already knew what my issue was. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to sit it down again. And what I mean by sit it down, meaning like I'm gonna go ahead and try to set it up again. So I'm gonna try to set up again. I'm sweating like a hog in this room, and you know, and I just worked out. Ooh, games on deck. Just worked out, but it's like a sauna room in here, so I'm a little bit satisfied with that. But nevertheless, I end up sanding it down. Let me see if it's smooth. Feel like it's smooth, but it can go a little bit more. I just want to make sure. Matter of fact, I can also try it. Let's see. I'm gonna tell you guys what I did. Man, I'm just so excited. So, at first, the bag was seating. Let's see if I can get you guys a better view. So the bag was sitting like right here, right? So what I had to do is I had to go back and I had to sand. So I had to go back and I had to sand all. Let me see. I had to go back and I had to sand to make sure this is smooth. Remember, like I said, I made ridges and cuts and things like that. So the bag didn't want to sit fully, which made it very hard for the bag to come in and sit down properly. Now after sanding, over a period of maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Don't do that. Why so serious? Now the bag actually sits down just like that. Wow, man, I am so. Sits right on the nut, as you guys can see. So as it comes down, it sits right on the nut where it's supposed to be. So everything is panned out well. So guys, appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys have any other questions or anything concerning my build and what I did, and mind you, it just took me to go get an alignment to do it the right way to actually do it, because I've been putting it off since I actually had it done. I was like, man, I'm gonna get to it. So now I got to it. I feel good about it. Nevertheless, guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a fire emoji right after Why So Serious. I greatly appreciate it. But nevertheless, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean myself up because I had a long day, and get ready to put this thing together in the morning, afternoon, whatever my schedule see fits. But Why So Serious? What's going on, guys? It's your guy Serious Mindset, and we are back with another video. I can't even talk. Hold on. Give me a second. So, we are back with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And then the most important thing is make sure you drop a fire emoji. I greatly appreciate it. It's the next day. Me putting the, as you see, it's sunny in the background. Trust me, it's sunny in the background. I like it. I love it. So the bag is right there, as you can see. About this, went to Ace Hardware today. I have some replacement bolts to go inside of this plate cover, needless to say. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and dress that up right now, because I'm so anxious to have the correct excuse me, do that. So I can't talk right now. Trying to set this down so we can get some even stuff going. I think I might keep them the way they are. So as you see, this is the one that I got from Ace Hardware, and then I also got some washers with the attached flat nudge on there. So we're gonna go ahead and put in this bolt right there. So you easily just put that in like so. It looked like, yeah, it's a little bit higher, but that's fine. See, I'm tightening it up. Long as the actual nut comes down and sits on it, I'm good with that. I'm cool with that. Alright guys, so just like that, we are all bolted up, ready to test the system out. I went on ahead and raised the air up, put air in it, because you know when you have it on jack stands, you just want to make sure you air it up before you let it down, because it will go all the way down, because if it's aired out, no air, blah blah blah, you know, the other stuff. But nevertheless, I'm excited about this since the first time I installed it. So I thank goodness it's going to It's gonna be right. Hold on, we gonna see. So, and then we're gonna get my bootleg ruler. Yeah, it was right at 8. So I basically did it wrong, but it was supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be 28. I think it's supposed to be 20, yeah, 28. So it's supposed to be 28, it's supposed to be 28 inches. So it's supposed to be 28 inches. So what we are going to do, we're going to go ahead and connect to the, he's stupid. Oh, I turned off my Bluetooth, okay. My Bluetooth on now. Alright, Bluetooth is on. Alright, so we're gonna try to connect again. So it's reconnecting. Alright. So right now I'm looking at one. Let's see it. Alright, so 133, 130, 121, all the other good stuff. So now I'm gonna go to my, ooh, that thing just dropped. Alright, so this is my old setup yesterday, which Peyton was like, nah dude, you gotta fix it. So a reset up, I'm gonna do a recal. I'm gonna go ahead and do a calibration. I'm gonna start over because apparently I messed it up. Yes. Again, as you see, it's doing it. Oh my god, that tuck is crazy. Woo! That tuck is nasty. I lied, it's not free of. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's tuck now. There's a big difference now. I can see the difference. Okay. So I was trying to calibrate the front. Now it's doing the rear. See if you guys can see it. Now it's calibrating the rear. This is not 0. This is not aired out. Man, I'm a beast. This is at 18 PSI. This is not 0.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
What's this?